If you've lost access to your BigCommerce account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the BigCommerce login page. Go to the BigCommerce website and click on the login option. This will direct you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the password recovery process, allowing you to reset your password without needing your phone number. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your BigCommerce account. Make sure it is the correct email, as this is where the recovery instructions will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset link, create a new password. Make sure it is strong and secure. After resetting your password, you should be able to log into your account successfully. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your BigCommerce account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to BigCommerce support for further assistance.